So I'm absolutely thrilled to be coming back to Hollyhock. This is a place where me and my family have been coming for very many years. Rupert Sheldrake and Merlin and Cosmo, and we've been giving workshops here as one of our favourite places. So the work I'll be doing is healing the family and ancestors, and this is extraordinary work and one of the only ways of really delving into the deepest oracular space of the unconscious and its revelations through working with past ancestral inherited traumas. So if something has been interrupted in an earlier generation of your family, so an early death or suicide or illness or incarceration or mental disturbance or abortions or adoptions either way, or any of these things which might interrupt the normal flowering notional completion of a family life. Whenever this is interrupted, there's a trauma which has a stable pattern which is caught in the family field and goes down transgenerationally and becomes available in each generation by affecting somebody who's resonating in some way with the earlier situation, even though they don't know that person existed. And what it is, it's like the blessing and the curse. So they are suffering in the same way as the earlier person did, in some way of being excluded, but they have this magnificent opportunity of healing it for themselves, for the past members, and all future members of their family, direct or indirect, children, grandchildren, and indirect. So this is a magnificent way of dealing with these experiences which sometimes, for example, we find ourselves doing something which makes absolutely no sense with what happened to us before in our lives. And these are usually signs of fulfilling the unfulfilled ambitions of our parents or grandparents, or finding ourselves trapped in some pattern which is coming down to us through our family. And this is corroborated now by the very popular hot science of epigenetics, which is coming in all the life sciences, how we can inherit things outside of the DNA. So I look forward to working with people in Hollyhock again this summer on the 27th of July for a magnificent 5 days of transforming all our lives. Thank you.